How to fix unauthorized changes blocked in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix unauthorized changes blocked in Windows. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step that you'll need to do is search for Windows Security. So after you find Windows Security, open that up. Right here, you'll find different options. You'll need to head over to Virus and Threat Protection. After you're there, you'll find a lot of different options. What you can do is head over to Virus and Threat Protection Settings, tap on Manage Settings. Then you should be on this section. What you can do is scroll down, and there you'll see Manage Controlled Folder Access. Head over there and turn this off. After you turn this off, you're basically good to go. And that's how you fix the issue, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.